Case 608977, State versus Romero Olivares, and the attorney is Leslie Sahanovich. There is a thundering silence. Leslie Sahanovich. Okay, Mr. Olivares.
Yes, sir.
Okay, keep talking. Say good morning. Let me find you here.
Good morning, sir. My attorney texted me late last night saying that he was going to be a bit late into the meeting, but he'll be here soon.
Okay, I'll mark him showing that he's going to be late. Patricia, did he contact you?
Who's that, Judge? Who was that, Judge?
Leslie Sahanovich.
Judge, I haven't had a chance to check the messages.
Okay, no problem. Not to worry. Right now, he's Mr. Olivares informs us he's coming in late. 609, thank you, sir. 609-282, State versus Justin Riff.
Your Honor, he's just now coming in, Leslie Sakanowicz.
Okay. It's, according to Leslie, it's Sahanovich. Des?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
Tell Ms. Garcia how you pronounce your name yourself.
Sahanovich.
Very good. What are you going to do this morning, Leslie?
Well, Judge, I need to confer on two cases, on Mr. Barber and on Mr.
It'll work better if you give me the case number.
Yeah, okay, the case number is 631128.
631128.
Yes.
Okay, there we are. Eric Barber.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, Les, I'm marking you conferring on both cases. You're in the list.
There's one more. There's one more, Judge.
You got three?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the third one?
The third one is 608977.
608. Well, that's the one we just called.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
All right. Excuse me. You'll have to wait because we only have one prosecutor again.
Okay, right. Who's that? Who's that, Judge?
Ms. Pollard, Catherine Pollard.
Okay, all right, thank you.
609-282, Justin Riff again. And this is Mike Belleville.
I am present, Your Honor, and my client is present as well, and we would like to speak to a prosecutor.
All right. You are on the list, sir.
Thank you.
609-342, State versus Raymond Ortiz. And Teresa Connolly is attorney of record. She was very, very early yesterday.
Judge, she requested, she's no longer on the misdemeanor appointment list.
Okay.
And you granted.
All right, so next part of the warm-up.
You mute him?
Yes, sir.
Raymond Ortiz. Raymond Ortiz is marked absent. Ms. Conley is no longer his attorney. 609-546, State versus Anthony Gomez, and that's William Brooks, his attorney. Anthony Gomez is marked absent. William Brooks, attorney, no response. 609-577, State versus Javier Ceres, or C-E-R-A-S-E, Ceres, and attorney is Regina Scribner Tibbs.
I am here for Mr. Sarasi.
All right.
I'd like to confer.
You are on the list for conferring. Good morning to you, Ms.
Your Honor,
Tibbs. Yes, ma'am.
he's got an active warrant in from the 399th. I'm sorry,
Okay.
379th and MTEAG. And I don't believe he answered.
No, he did not.
Yes,
So,
he is here.
Where's he at?
Let me see. I just got a call from
Mr. Ceres? Xavier Ceres?
Hello. Good morning.
Where are you? All right, yes, I see you now. Mr. Suresh, Ms. Regina Tibbs, you're gonna have to look into this because he has a warrant out of the 379th.
279, yes, Judge.
Check in it. What do you want? All right, I've got you for conferring. Meantime, we'll continue with the docket. 609-766 State versus Jessica Marlar, and the attorney is Kyle Simpson.
Judge, good morning. I'm here. My client is here. I think she's on I see her right there.
Good morning, Judge.
We would like to get a trial setting if possible.
All right, set for trial.
Will we be excused?
Give me a moment. Patty, you got that?
Yes, sir. August 18th.
Okay, thank
August
you.
18. All right, now you're excused. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
609, y'all take care. 609-846 State versus Joe Revias, and attorney is Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Montoya.
My computer messed up. I borrowed my son's computer, but Joe Revelas, I've not been in contact with him, Judge. His phone numbers have been disconnected. And I believe the last time you were going to do a BF on him, and I have not been able to get in touch with him.
All right.
Judge, it's Revillas.
Yeah, I know, Revias. Joe Anthony Revias. And I am marking him absent. As of right now, he's a failure to appear. You have 1 week to possibly find him before I issue the warrant.
Thank you, Judge. I have a second case, Judge, but I can wait till you call it.
Well, give me the case number while we're at it.
Yes, Your Honor. It is 657-728. Robert
657
728.
7. Here we are. Isidro Montoya Jr. is his attorney.
Yes, Judge. And this is Mr. Soto is on. He's on Zoom. Judge,
Robert Soto?
Yes, sir.
Speak up.
Yes, sir, right here.
There we are. Thank you very much. All right, Mr. Montoya, what do you want to do on these
we
cases?
got an email offer from Ms. Pollard just recently, and we're trying to get we're trying to resolve. We're probably going to take a plea, Judge. Can you reset it for a plea, like for 30 days or however long you can make it?
Patricia, how much time will we give you?
60 days, Judge.
All right. We've
Thank
got
you.
some big dockets. You'll have to take 60 days.
That'll be perfect, Judge. Thank you so much.
I'll note your strenuous objection, Isidro.
Please, Judge. Thank you. May my client and I be excused, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor,
Ma'am.
I wanted to let you know that Tanisha Taylor is back from conferring with Ms. Pollard,
All right.
and I'm going to place Mr. Roundtree next to confer with her.
Very good. Ms. Taylor, what's the outcome of the conferring?
Yes, Your Honor, we're gonna need a reset. The state would like more time to review the case, the cases. And we would also like more time to get an affidavit of non-prosecution to the state. So we get a reset for that.
Well, ordinarily I'd do it without any question. The thing is, your client has not shown up. Remember?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm called her
Okay.
several.
I'm gonna wait, and if you produce her, then I'll give you the reset as requested.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 609986 State versus Mary Simonson and Richard Garcia Jr. Mary Simonson is marked absent. Richard Garcia Jr., no response. 610020 State versus Misty Menard. Jessica Gonzalez is attorney of record.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I am well, Jessica. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Ms. Menard here?
I have not had any contact with her since last October. I just found the bail bondsman information. So I'd like a chance while I'm waiting on the docket to call them to see if they've given her notice about this setting. I don't know if she's actually received notice of the setting.
Okay. Then we'll wait to hear from you on that, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. 610-286, State versus Terrence Watson. And there's Robert Marr. My goodness, what a silence. Terrence Watson is marked absent. Robert Marr, no response. Attorney. 610-376, State versus Arthur Garcia. Attorney is Richard Garcia Jr. Presumably the same response as well ago, none. Arturo Garcia. Arturo Garcia, marked absent. 610-476, State versus Valmir Perez Ortega. Attorney is Javier Ibarra.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present. I think Valmir is also here. I saw him a little earlier. He's a Spanish speaker, Judge, but he is present. I'd like to confer with the state.
Well, you tell me he's present. I have not seen or heard him.
Okay, let's see. Valmir, there he is.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. All right, thank you, Javier.
And we'd like to confer with the state, Judge.
You are number 8, I believe now.
All right then. Thank
Hang
you.
in there.
All right.
We've only got one prosecutor, so.
I understand, Judge.
All right, thank you. 612-031, State versus Hendrik Garcia. Attorney is Andrew Del Cueto.
Judge, this is Jason Todd for Mr. Del Cueto. Mr. Garcia is here.
Speak up, Mr. Garcia. Hendrik Garcia. Where is he, Mr. Todd?
He's on it. Mr. Garcia, if you could announce your presence to the judge, please.
Oh, I'm here.
Okay. I guess he can hear you. Somebody's got some sniffles. Please mute yourself. I don't need to hear that until we call your name. Mr. Todd, what are your wishes?
Judge, we are still waiting on discovery in this case. And if I have the chance to talk to the state, I would appreciate that. But other than that, we're waiting for blood discovery.
Waiting blood. I'm going to reset you 60 days.
Thank you.
If you want to wait, you'll be number 9.
I will see how that plays out, Judge. May Mr. Garcia be excused, though?
Yes, sir. Mr. Hendrik Garcia, you are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Meantime, I'll list you for conferring. If you stick around long enough, fine. If you don't, we'll just drop you.
Thank you, Judge.
613-476, State versus Juan Moreno, and that is Efrain Torres, his attorney.
Yes, Judge. I'm present. Mr. Moreno is present in my office, Judge, and we would like to confer with the state.
Very good.
Thank you.
You are on the list. 613-610, State versus Daniel Martinez, and the attorney is Rahim Mamori.
Judge, good morning. I am here for Daniel Martinez. Judge, I've tried to get in touch with him. He had a PR bond on the DWI. I've not been able to get in touch with him. Is it possible that we could get a 30-day reset to see if I can get in touch with him, Judge?
I can give you 1 week to produce him.
Okay.
Otherwise, there'll be a failure to appear, sir.
Okay, 1 week?
Yes, sir.
May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Patty. Bye-bye.
613-927, State versus Samir Saleh, and Miguel Hernandez III is attorney of record.
Your Honor,
Good morning,
that's-
Your Honor.
Good morning.
That case has been reset, Your Honor. I went in yesterday and asked about if I could. My client is had to attend a funeral of grandmother, I believe.
Okay, reset, no problem.
Thank you. Judge. And he's got like 3 or 4 cases, but he'll be back in. He's been to every setting.
He's got a total of 5 in this court. 614-367, you are excused, by the way, Mr.
Your Honor, I have one more case, if I may.
Give me the case number.
629-157.
629-157.
Mr. Juan Salazar.
All right.
I've looked on him. I can't see him. I have tried to get in touch with him. I had no contact. I think he's homeless, and I'm trying to get a hold of the PR people to see if they have any other numbers.
Meantime, he's marked absent. You have 1 week to have him report.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused now?
Yes, you are.
Thank you, sir.
614-367, State versus Rebecca Ortiz, no attorney. Rebecca Ortiz. Rebecca Ortiz is marked absent. 614-508, State versus Pamela Ortiz Maisonnet, and that is Timothy Roundtree.
Just confirm. Judge, he's conferring with Ms.
Okay, is
Present,
Ms.
Your Honor.
Okay, where are you? Keep talking, wave your arms, whatever.
Present.
There you are. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
As a courtesy, I'm going to mark you as conferring. If your attorney does not wish to do so, I'll
Judge,
remove it. Ma'am,
He's conferring right now with.
I know he is. I know he is. But I'm not going to just, put him at the end and have somebody else take other, well, you know what I'm saying. I'm just going to put him on the list for conferring. If he doesn't want to, we can strike him. Ms. Ortiz, Ms.
Yes.
Zonay, please just wait for your attorney.
Okay.
614-753, State versus Cynthia Martinez. Attorney Jerry Kagan.
Martinez is here in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, courtroom. Good morning,
Good morning, Judge.
Deputy Castillo. Good morning to you.
Oh, good morning, Judge. How are you, Judge? Sorry.
Jerry Kagan. Have you heard from your attorney, Ms. Martinez?
He did say he was gonna email y'all. I don't know if y'all got it.
I don't know. We're going to mark him not responding right now. Stick around. 615-036, State versus Jessica La Torre. Jeb Locke.
Your Honor, Jeb Locke is in person hearing in the 437th. He's requesting a jury trial setting, and he asked if he could please excuse the client, and then he'd log on as soon as he's done over there in the 437th.
Okay, how about Jessica La Torre? Are you present, ma'am?
Hello, yes, Judge, I am present.
Where are you? There you are. Red t-shirt or blouse?
Yes, that's me.
All right. Your attorney has communicated with the court. We're gonna set you for a jury trial. Apparently that's a final decision. And we will excuse you at this time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 616-010, State versus Adrian Sanchez, attorney Angela Blake.
Present, Your Honor.
What? Oh, Elizabeth. Angela's answered early. Oh, Elizabeth. Good morning, Angela. How are you?
Morning, Judge.
Is your client here?
I've tried to communicate with him this morning. I think he's having some issues getting on. If I can just come back in a little bit and I'll double check to see where he is.
For right now, I'm marking him absent, but produce him and that'll be no problem. Are you going to confer? What are you going to do?
I'd like to confer, but I need to go to the 186 first.
I'm sorry?
I'd like to confer, but I've got a felony court to go to first.
Okay, well, probably by the time we get to you, you should be through. You're number 12 at this point.
Okay, that sounds good.
616-825, State versus Ernest Gonzalez, and that is George Sharman II.
Good morning, Your Honor. He's present along with my other client, Guillermo Sanchez. We have 2 orders for you to sign on the blood discovery on each of them, and then that's all we have with you today.
Okay. What's the case number on the other one, George?
605939.
It's on the add-on list, Your Honor.
Okay.
They are both present, Judge.
Very good.
And with that, I would request that they be excused and I be excused to
Hold on a second. Patricia, just so you're aware, I don't have any add-ons on my docket. But
those are all, if they are added on, Judge, it's the same announcement. We e-filed the last couple of days about 5 different orders for discovery on blood. I think that's what Patty's referring to.
all right, on Ernest Gonzalez, we'll reset it 60 days.
Sir?
On Ernest Gonzalez, we're resetting it 60 days. Give me the case number on the other one, George.
Guillermo Sanchez, 605939.
605939. Guillermo.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning to you, sir. Guillermo Sanchez, reset 60. Now, just for the record, you are George Sharman the second, right? Not the first.
That's correct, Judge.
Take care of yourself,
I'm
George. Good to
still
see
unique
you.
in that way.
It's good to see you. You take care. Gentlemen, here, Mr. Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Gonzalez, y'all are excused also.
Yes. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, give me a moment here, folks. Okay, 621172, State versus Ashley Castañeda. Jessica Gonzalez.
I'm on the docket again?
If it's not you, somebody has your name.
Okay. I was not aware of this one. I didn't look at the docket fully. I apologize. I do have a message from her from yesterday. Let me give her a call and I'll answer the court back in a minute. Thank you.
All right, I'll leave that open. 627641, State versus Vernon Walker. Patrick Montgomery. Patrick Montgomery, no response. Vernon
Your
Walker.
Honor,
Ma'am.
Patrick Montgomery is somewhere.
Pardon me?
Patrick Montgomery is in federal court in person and will be very late, but he will log on as soon as he's done in federal court.
Okie dokie, but where is Vernon Walker? Vernon Walker is marked absent. 630018, State versus Isaiah Brown, attorney Joe Stenberg.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. Your attorney, have you heard from him?
Not since yesterday. I ain't talked to him.
Okay, does it appear that he intended to be here?
Yeah, he sent me the email and everything to join in and said he'll be here, but I ain't talked to him yet.
All right, well, we'll have to wait for him. Stick around, please.
Okay.
635.
Judge Longoria, this is Tim Roundtree. I'm back from the breakout room whenever you're ready.
All right. Let's see. On Tim Roundtree, let's start off with Natasha Russell.
Judge, State's made me an offer, and I would just ask for a 30-day reset for me to confer with my client and find out what she would like to do.
Patricia, how much time we're giving him?
Or 60, that's fine too.
60 days, Judge.
That's actually better for me, Judge.
Where you are reset 60 days. Didn't you have a second case?
I do, Judge. I actually have 3 other ones. So the next one would be
hold on just a second. Let me mark this on Ms. Russell. Next one.
614508.
614508. Talk to me.
Ortiz. Judge, the state has made us an offer today, and I would ask for a reset to confer with my client. That same reset day would be great.
Reset 60 days.
The next case, Judge.
Go ahead.
645611.
645 611. 611, Sandquist.
Yes, sir. The same situation. The state has made us a new offer today, and I would like to reset it to confer, and that'll be the final date, I'm sure.
So reset 60. Is Mr. What's the name of your client on this one?
Sandquist.
All right.
I'm here, Judge.
All right. That's exactly what I was going to get to. Thank you, gentlemen. You and your clients, Mr. Roundtree. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Roundtree has a 2:30 plea with Farhani.
Judge, yes, and Mr. Farahani is here. I didn't realize that that was set for a plea. The state has made me an offer, but we were waiting on that ALR hearing before we made a decision. Shahab, if you would mute your mic,
Tim.
please.
Hold on, Tim.
Good morning.
Please mute your microphone, Mike.
Doggone.
There you go.
Yeah, sorry about that. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, where are we now on your 231, Tim?
Yes, this is it. Judge, I didn't realize it was set for a plea. I've still got to get together with Mr. Farahani. Could we have a reset, just maybe 30 days on that?
Which case number?
657.
It's on page 8. Page 8, Judge.
657-528, Judge.
Six, 5, 7. Eight to eight. Okay, well, I just scratched that. Isn't that the one that's Soto?
No,
Patricia?
528, Judge. 657-528.
On
Okay.
page 8, it's labeled 2:30.
I got you. Yes, it is. You're correct. All right. And Patricia, what are we doing with this since?
He's requesting 30 days, Judge. We please give him 60 days?
Sure, that's fine.
I'll give him 60 days, but what about the reset? I'm gonna give you 60 days, Mr. Roundtree.
Judge, that was less than I deserve.
Bring your toothbrush.
Yeah.
All right.
Less than I deserve. Judge, may I real
You and
quickly,
your
may I
client,
just,
oh, go ahead.
I'm sorry. Could I just ask Ms. Patty? Ms. Patty, I sent you an email about my vacation. Did you get that?
No.
I just
It's gonna be in
Okay,
October,
let's-
mid-October.
Let's take care of that later. We'll
Okay.
continue with this. We got a big docket still.
Thank
you,
Judge.
Tim. Case number let's see, 6. Where are we at, Patty? 621. Nope. Is 635-417, Patty? Yes,
No, Your Honor.
635-417, State versus Cynthia Franklin and Sylvia Gonzalez is attorney of record.
Judge, that got reset. Attorney Sylvia Gonzalez is on vacation. It got reset to October 7th.
All right. Thank you. 636-867, State versus Trayshawn Goff, and attorney is Stacy Kraus.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Long time no see.
My client is here. Trayshawn, say hello to the judge, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Ms.
I'm fine.
Kraus, what are you doing today?
I would like to confer with Catherine, please.
Okay, it's going to be a long wait because we got only one prosecutor and you're number 13 so far, but they'll be going pretty quickly. She's very good.
Judge, can my client be excused? Because she doesn't need to be here for this.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Trayshawn, you can log off.
All right, continuing, 637-267, State versus Billy Alfaro.
Your
Gail
Honor.
Calderola.
Good morning, Your Honor. We're present
And I have had no contact with Mr. Alfaro, and we don't have a good phone number or address for him. We tried.
Okay, well, we've got 1 week to produce them, otherwise there'll be a failure to appear warrant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good to
Thank you
see you,
very much.
Gail.
Good to see you too, Judge.
Take care. 63746, you're excused, by the way. 637-466, State versus Perla Ramirez, and that's Ivan Barrera.
Yes, sir. Present.
Good morning, ma'am.
Mr.
Good
Barrera
morning.
is conferring with Ms. Pollard right now.
Alrighty. When he comes back, have him continue his session with Ms. Pollard on this case, okay?
Yes, sir.
637-860, State versus Alan Thompson, no attorney. Alan Thompson. Alan Thompson is marked absent. 638-515, State versus Ryan Sosonovich.
Judge, I'm present for Mr. Sosnowitz, and he's in the Zoom.
Good morning, sir. Where are you?
Wave your hands, Ryan. There he is. Wave your hands to the judge. There you go.
There you are. Very good. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, Suzanne, what are you doing today?
I need to confer. This case is actually getting quite old, and we've never been able to work anything out. So,
All right, well, you're on the list for conferring.
thank you, Judge. I do have to leave to go to a Zoom in about 30, 40 minutes, but I'll pop back in if I haven't conferred by then.
That's fine. You're number 15, so not too likely.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. 641-222, State versus Christian Reyes, and that is Sylvia Gonzalez. Did you say she's on vacation, Patty? Or
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's got reset to October 7th.
Okay. Okay. Set for 2 p.m. 644-784, State versus Diana Ruiz, and the attorney is Sergio Ibarra, appearing for Neil Kalfas. Sergio Ibarra? Sergio Ibarra or Neil Kalfas or somebody for him. No response from
Your Honor,
the
that's
attorney.
scheduled for 2 o'clock.
Okay, you're correct. Sorry about that. 645-157, State versus Gary Edler.
Edler,
And that
yes,
is
Your Honor. I'm
Ben
here and he is
Stevenson.
also here. I would like to confer with the prosecutor. This is one that's probably going to need to go close to all the way to trial or maybe all the way through trial, but there is the rest of the story that I really need to talk to a prosecutor about if possible.
Very good. All right, Ben, I've got you on the list.
Thank you. Should I just wait in the main room until I'm assigned a breakout?
You can take a break or do what you, in other words, you're number 16, so it's going to be a while.
I'll be here, Your Honor. This is the most
All right.
important court I have.
Thank you. 645-338, State versus Jarvian Williams. And that is Nathan Slamane, his attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nathan Slamane present. Mr. Williams is present as well.
Very good. What is your choice, Mr. Slamane?
Well, Your Honor, we did receive some additional video discovery that I have not yet had an opportunity to review with my client. I'd like to do that before I confer. More pressing than that, I do have a dental appointment this morning. So I would request a reset for those 2 reasons.
Your reset request is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Patricia, you've given him 60 days?
Yes, sir.
All right, Nathan Slamane, you have 60 days. Good luck with your dental, your dental white knuckle visit.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too.
Judge,
Stay safe. Yes, ma'am.
Miss Kramer wants to request something of you.
Ms.
Yes.
Kramer.
Judge, I had heard earlier, a lawyer asked if his client could be excused so he could go to work since we've got quite a wait to confer. May Ryan Sosnowitz be excused so he can go to work since he's here and I have quite a while to work something out.
What's the case number again?
It is 638-515.
63?
638-515.
All right.
Page 6, Judge.
Yes, I found it. All right, Mr. Sasanovich.
Yes,
How
sir.
how do you say that, sir?
Sosnowitz?
Sosnowitz. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I was real close, wasn't I?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sosnowitz, you are excused. Your attorney will be doing the work, okay?
Thank you,
Thank you,
Judge.
sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Continuing on the docket, 647722, State versus Rolando Caldera, attorney, Baltasar Serna.
Judge, we're
Doctor.
present, Judge. Good morning. How you doing? So
I'm
we
well.
need that 60-day reset, Judge. We're still waiting for some discovery on this case. And once I get all discovery, and I'll have my client come in and review it with me. I think we're still waiting on blood tests. And
Alrighty.
we haven't gotten all the videos yet. So we get a 60-day reset that help me. And I don't
Absolutely.
know, and Patty, I don't know if that's the 23rd of September. Is that when you're setting them for?
No, sir, it'll be the second or third week of October.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. As long as
All
it's
right.
not the week of the 18th, because I'm out of town, just
No,
so
sir.
you know. All right,
All
thank
right.
you.
Y'all are excused.
Thank you,
648873. Take care. Stephanie Sutton, and that's Ashley Morgan.
Morning, Your Honor, I'm present.
Hi,
Good
Judge.
morning, ma'am.
Present.
And what are your wishes, Miss Morgan?
May I confer, please?
Yes, ma'am. It's gonna be a wait.
I know.
All right. Thank you. 650104, State versus Jose Martinez Zarce. Arce, pardon me. And attorney is Daniel Vela.
Yes, I'm here. Buenos días.
Buenos días, señor Martínez.
Sí.
¿Su abogado?
No lo sé, he estado en contacto con él, pero la corte pasada también llegó un poco tarde.
Mañoso, eh? Daniel Vela, I'm marking him no response. Se tiene que esperar, eh?
Okay.
1:30 p.m. plea. 651161, State versus Nelda Alvarado, and that's Robert Valdez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Robert. You're scheduled for 1:30.
It's a plea, yes. It was set for 9 o'clock. It was changed to accommodate me, I guess, but I haven't been able to get a hold of her in short notice. Can we come back this afternoon?
Of course, we'll recall you at 1:30, sir.
Could but a little later, because I have a doctor's appointment at 1 o'clock.
Okay, so certainly. Patricia, what are we trying to say?
His office had sent me an email asking me to move it because his appointment was at 2 p.m. and the police set for 1:30. So I moved it to this morning so that way they could ask you if you can reset it all together or try and hear it this morning.
Robert,
I don't know if the paperwork is in, or I don't know if the system's up is, working today.
Yes,
Patty, I'm back and the system is working. I've been working on this paperwork kind of on and off all morning in between conferring. It's not done yet though, but I'm working on it.
Well,
Robert, what's your preference? What do you want? You want to just
Well,
reset it, or?
I can do it this afternoon after my appointment, but
What time you want to do this?
After 2:30, 3 o'clock. If it's
3 p.m.
All right. Thank you.
If that's your preference, that's what you'll get.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
No problem. 651526 or 525. I can't read the number. State versus Nicholas Van Someren, and that is Linda Lesser is attorney.
Judge, that's attorney's on vacation. She asked for a short reset. It got reset to August 6th.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, may I place Ms. Pollard to confer with Carissa? and she's back from conferring with Ivan Barrera.
Hold on. Has she conferred on both of his cases?
Ivan,
Yes, Judge.
Have you conferred on both your cases?
Yes, Judge. I also have a third one, Judge, and it's on the add-on. I conferred on that one as well.
Okay, so let's talk about 607-823. What's the result?
Yes, Judge. State's going to dismiss that case.
Over your strenuous objection, I'm sure. All right. What's the next one, Ivan?
Next one, Judge, is 637-466 Perla Ramirez.
637-466. Talk to me.
Yes, Judge. State would like some more time to review the case. So a reset would be great.
That'll be 60 days, Patricia?
yes, sir.
All right. Next one, Ivan?
Yes, Judge. The next one, the last
You
one
said is an add-on?
add-on. That's correct, Judge. Cause number is 659481. Javier Limon.
Javier Limon. Limon?
Yes, Judge.
All right, and listening.
Yes, Judge. On this one, it's just a motion to modify bond conditions. He's on partial house arrest. We're asking to modify it to simply just tracking with an exclusion zone. Spoke to the state, and they have no objections to it.
Tracking only.
Your Honor, the Mr. Limon has an active warrant.
Okay, Mr. Barrera, you need to look to that, okay?
Understood, Judge. Will do.
Okay. And other than that, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
So I'm excused also, Judge Perla Ramirez with Ivan Barrera.
Oh,
Yes,
my
ma'am,
apologies.
you are.
Thanks, Perla. I'll call you in a bit.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, 655-712. State versus Matthew Michel, and that is Brian Powers.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Judge, I'd still like to confer with the prosecutors. I understand she's very busy. Is it possible to get a 30-day reset so I can speak to her off docket?
To be honest with you, we're not doing 30-day resets because we're stacked up so bad. If you want to wait, otherwise we'll give you a 60-day reset.
I'll take a 60-day, Judge.
Your client did answer, is that correct?
He is present, Your Honor, yes.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right. Then, gentlemen, you are excused. Let me suggest, Mr. Powers, that you try and confer by internet, whatever means, with the state. Today, we're just strapped with one prosecutor and a whole bunch of people conferring.
I see that, Your Honor, and I'm going to reach out to her by email.
Very good. 657-157, State versus Samuel Fermin. James Anders III.
I'm here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How about your client?
Well, I'm here, and Mr. Furman was the one that answered up quickly.
Okay. All right.
I just wanted to let the court know that the prosecutor has and I have spoken, and I believe we've come to an agreement. But we're going to need a 60-day reset to complete our side of the terms of the agreement.
You have a 60-day reset, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are both excused.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, I'll talk to you, Samuel.
Okay.
Set for 2:30 p.m. State 657-528 State versus Shahab Farahani, and
Just
that's Tim
so-
Roundtree. That got taken care of.
Yes, sir.
657-571 State versus Eddie Elizalde. That is Tim Roundtree also. We missed that one, didn't we, or did we?
Yes, we did. And
Tim
he did-
Roundtree.
He did too. Mr.
Okay.
Elizalde?
Mr. Elizalde is marked absent. We might need to look to that. He may have been misled by me. All right. 657-619 State versus Micah Gentry, and that is Adrian Perez's attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here. He's here as well. There's blood discovery that I'm picking up from the DA's office, fourth floor window this morning. I was hoping we could get a reset for 60 days, and I'll reach out to the prosecutor after I've reviewed the blood discovery with my client.
Okay, where is Mr. Gentry? Hello.
I'm here, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Gentry. Gentlemen, you are excused. You have a 60-day reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 658-322 State versus Charles Wilson, attorney Rose Zabel.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present. My client is also present, Judge. He's listed on the Zoom as 168080. His name is not appearing.
I'm here, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. 168080.
I don't know why it comes up like that. I'm sorry.
I think Patricia might do something about that. So, Ms. Zabel,
Yes,
what
Your
are
Honor.
what are your wishes?
My wish is to get in the very long line to speak to the prosecutor, Your Honor.
For real, that's your wish? All right. Ms. Zabel, I am putting you on the list,
Thank you, Your Honor.
and you are
Could-
correct. It is
Could
long
Mr.
line.
Wilson be excused, Your Honor, since the line is so long?
Let's excuse him. Mr. Wilson, you are excused. Stay in touch
Thank
with
you, Your
your
Honor.
attorney.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you, Rose. You doing okay?
Thank you, Judge. I am. Thank you, Your Honor. Good to see you too.
658-483 State versus Daniel Perez, and that is Catherine Valenzuela.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning,
Mr. Bettis is in the courtroom, I believe.
Yes, he's here in the courtroom, Judge.
Very
Okay.
good. Thank you,
And-
Selma.
We've just tendered affidavits of non-prosecution, so we'd ask 60 days so that the DAs would have an opportunity to review them and contact the complainant.
Yes, I did. All right. So it shall be. We're resetting you 60 days.
Okay, and may my client be excused from the courtroom, Your Honor?
Of course, both of you are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have another case, Kathy?
No, that's it today.
All right, thank you. Take care. 659-569 State versus Thomas Manning. Attorney is Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Your Honor. I do
Good
not.
morning,
see
Brian.
my client. Good morning, Judge. I don't see my client. He actually is homeless. I contacted pretrial services and the numbers they gave me are not working, Judge. I don't have.
Okay. 1 week to produce.
Very well, thank you.
Otherwise you'll have failure to appear.
I do have another case, Judge. I don't know if you have another.
Give me the number.
It's on the next page. It's the last case on page 10. It's Lorenzo Humphreys. I have not been in contact with this client. However, our office represents him on a felony, which is actually set for August 11. I would ask if we could reset this case till August 11 in case he's confused about what time to, what date to show up.
We'll do just that. We'll reset you to August 11.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. Take care of yourself, Brian.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge,
Okay.
excuse me. This is Mike Bellava. I was wondering if my client, Justin Riff, can be excused while I wait to confer.
Okay, give me that case number. What's his name?
Justin Riff, R-I-F-F. He's on the second page, I believe.
Mr. Riff?
Yes, sir. I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, your attorney has done your courtesy. We're going to excuse you. You're free to go. Mr. Belleville will be sitting around waiting to talk about your case with the state, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a
You're
nice
welcome.
evening.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
660, you're welcome. 660-874, State versus Dominique Campos, and that is Frank Sandoval.
Good morning, Judge. I was recently retained within about the last 2 days. This is Travis Kettner for Miss Campos. She should be on. She texted me just a moment ago.
Spell your last name for me, please.
Kettner, Ketner, and that's her on the video, Your Honor.
Where are you? Wave your hands, do something.
Good morning.
Ms. Kettner? All right. Black blouse, gray.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Glasses.
It's Miss Campos, Judge.
Yeah, Miss Campos.
I'm sorry, Mr. Kettner and Miss Campos. Miss Campos?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Kettner, tell me what you want.
Yes, Your Honor. I was just retained. I haven't really had a chance. She has, I believe, 4 cases. They should be consecutively numbered. And I was hoping we could reset it for 60 days so I could talk to her some more and then go through the discovery.
Okay. It shall be so.
May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Give me a moment here. Well, all right. Ms. Campos, Mr. Kettner, you are both excused.
Thank you very much.
661-765, ma'am.
Excuse me, Teresa's back from conferring with Ms. Pollard.
Okay, that's Ms. Chelkowski.
Judge,
Tell me, you guys tell me what you've done.
we have conferred and come up with a few different options, but she's going to need to run it by her supervisor. So if we could get a 60-day reset on this, Judge, and I think Ms. Reed wanted to look into a couple things as well.
Reset 60 days.
Thank you, Judge. My client and I be excused.
Ruben Rodriguez.
Yes, Your Honor. You need a case number?
I've got it right here. Just for the record, Ruben Rodriguez, where are you? Mr. Rodriguez.
He was under,
answered.
he was under, yeah, he answered at docket this morning, Judge.
I know he did, but I wanted to double check because I've got 3 or 4 relatives that are Ruben Rodriguez.
I'm bringing him back. He was in the conference room. He stayed in the conferring from earlier.
Ruben Rodriguez.
I'm bringing him back, Judge.
Bring him back, lady.
He's just not pressing main session.
Let me.
You want me to put you there, Teresa, so you can ask him to come back?
Sure.
Okay. Regina, you had a question?
Yes, I did. I did check on the warrant and the 379. So I need to ask for a reset so that we can handle that situation.
What's your case number or your client's case number?
609-577, Xavier Sarasi.
Page 2, Judge.
We're on page 3.
2.
2, okay, page 2. Yeah, you're correct, Patty. Sorry.
609 what?
609-577. He's right.
There it is. Okay. You're asking for a reset, Patty, but 60?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Regina, we're giving you the reset of 60 days.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Judge, my client, Ruben Rodriguez, is back.
Okay, now, did we get Rodriguez? Ruben, where are you? Hello? Well, if he's back, he's hiding from me. Where is he?
He's under Galaxy S. He's muted.
Okay.
Ruben, can you
There you
unmute
are.
yourself?
Mr. Rodriguez,
Yes,
what is your father's name?
Ruben Rodriguez.
Okay. Is he still alive right now?
No, he passed away this year.
Okay. All right, I've got a cousin, Ruben Rodriguez, that passed away this last year. Are you Ruben Rodriguez Jr. or what?
I'm the second.
Okay. What is your grandfather's name?
Jesse Rodriguez.
Okay. All right. No problem then. Just wanted to make sure you weren't one of my relatives, because if you were, I'd have to do something about that, put you in another court. All right. Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. I appreciate your courtesy.
You're welcome.
Ms. Tibbs?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you and your client are excused at this time with the reset as announced.
Okay, and they said 60 days. Is there a particular day and time?
Patricia?
October 7th.
At 9, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Okay.
Honor, Mr. Rodriguez belongs to Carissa Chalkovsky.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
And may we also be excused, Judge?
Yes, you are.
Okay, you have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Say hi to your hubby. All right, 661-765, State versus Ernesto Barbosa, and that's Sean Brown.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian Oriole from Mr. Brown's office, and Mr. Barbosa is present as well. We're still just awaiting upload of some of the COBAM videos, so if we could have a 60-day reset, Judge, to finish out getting the discovery on this.
Okay, you're telling me your client is here with you?
Yes, sir. He's wearing a red
Yes, sir.
shirt.
I'm here.
There you are. Okay, guys. 60-day reset.
All right, thank you, Judge. Ernesto, I'll be in
Thank you.
touch.
Yes, y'all.
All right.
661-813, State versus Jaravis Williams. I don't know if I'm close on that pronunciation. And that is Andrew Priest.
Your Honor,
I'm here, Your Honor.
How do you say your first name?
Jatavis.
Jatavis. I'm sorry, I butchered that one. And Andrew Priest.
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Patricia.
Okay.
excuse me, Judge, he is at several courts this morning, so he's gonna be very late.
All right.
And Judge, I have one question.
Yes, sir.
I have work at 11. Do you want me to just call up or something?
Wait at least till 10:30. See if we can't contact your attorney, see what he has in mind. And at 10:30, if we haven't got anything going, I'll personally release you, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right.
Then we have 662-047, State versus Lorenzo Humphreys. That's already been taken care of. Brian O'Donnell.
Yes, sir.
Do we have any other add-ons that I
Yeah,
don't
right
have
now
on here?
I'm currently still in court. It's going along a lot longer.
Okay. Anything else I have, Patty? Because that seems to be the end of the docket, finally.
That's all, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
All right. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Oh. Your Honor, this is Les Sahanovich. I
Yes, sir.
confer with the state, and both she and I agree a 60-day reset, so she could look at both the cases. And the case numbers are.
Hold on.
First one.
Hold on. Reset 60 days on Olivares.
Olivares, yes.
Okay. And then which other one?
On Barber, which is 631128.
That's your shorter number,
631128. 631128.
631128.
Yes.
That's also reset 60, you said?
Yes, sir.
That's it for you, Les?
Yes, sir. And what would those dates be, Judge?
I'm sorry? Patty will tell you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, that's it for me, Judge.
Okay, very good. Then, Patricia, you have Ms. Pollard with the Mr. Ibarra?
No, it's Michael Belleville.
Hey, Patty,
No.
what date is that, Patty?
I'll send you the emails later on this afternoon, Mr. Leslie.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, Andrew Priest is logging on.
Judge, and I'm here, Richard Garcia.
Hold on. I don't show Javier Ibarra. I show his number 8 and Sahanovich was number 7. So where's Michael Bellefo? What's his case number?
I had him as number 6 on page 2609282.
You are correct. All right, so then Scribner Tibbs, all right, never mind. All right, so where are we on Belleville?
He's conferring with Ms. Pollard
Okay.
right now.
All right.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Your Honor, this is Xavier Ibarra. Judge, I'm in line for conferring. I would
You
like to
are.
ask the court if Valmir Ortega could be excused, Judge. I was going to ask a 60-day reset so I can confer with him after I get the offer from the state.
All right, sir. We'll grant you that after you've conferred with the state. Mr. Perez Ortega, that's your client, right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Perez Ortega, your attorney has asked me to excuse you. You will be allowed to leave, okay?
Valmir.
Oh, sí.
Sí, ok. El juez dice que ya tú te puedes desconectar ahorita. Yo voy a estar aquí a hablar con el Estado, tocando su causa.
Está
Okay.
libre, Valmir.
Ok, gracias.
De nada.
Te llamo más tarde.
Ok, gracias.
Okay.
Judge, can I announce on my case? I'm sorry, I came in a little bit late and missed her name. Alicia Parker,
Give me your case number.
607-600 and 607-599.
607 600.
It's on page
and
1, Your
59.
Honor.
Yeah, it's right at the top almost. All right. You're announcing for Charles Bunt?
Yes, I am, Judge, and I would like to confer. I'm probably number 20 at this point, but I wanted to see if I could let Ms. Parker leave the Zoom and I can confer with her over the phone.
I think that's a capital idea. Alicia Parker?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, Ms. Parker,
Yes.
we're gonna go ahead and release you. You're through for the day. Stay in touch with your attorney, Mr. Bunk, and right now Ms. McGinnis is here for him.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, can I approach on Adrian Sanchez?
Hold on a second. I'll be right with you. Okay, Ms. McGinnis, I've got good news and bad news. The bad news is you're number 19. The good news is you're not number 20.
Okay, well, that's a little bit better.
All right, who was it wanting to announce or something?
I did, Judge, on Adrian Sanchez, 616010, page 4.
616010. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Sanchez has joined the Zoom, and I would like to ask that he be released. And I'll
Adrian
stay in line.
Sanchez. Adrian Sanchez, where are you? Angela Blake.
There I see his tile, whatever you want to call it.
I don't know what I want to call it.
Maybe can he unmute himself and start his video?
Adrian Sanchez, need to hear from you. Well, is your nose growing, Miss Blake, or is he there somewhere?
I see him on the screen here. I see the name. I don't know what's going on. And I'm texting with him, so.
Well, I'm gonna take your word as the officer of the court, but I don't see him.
I'm asking him to unmute, Your Honor, and he's not.
He says it won't let him for some reason.
Okay, well, you're in touch with him, Patty?
I see the name Adrian Sanchez on the blank black screen. There he is, Judge.
There he is. Okay.
I'm glad you can see him.
There he is. He's unmuted. There he is.
There we are. All right, Mr. Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Blake, what did you want? You're on the list for conferring.
Yes,
Where
I'd
have you
like
been,
to.
Mr. Sanchez?
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Where have you been?
I'm sorry. I was having trouble with the camera.
You mean you have trouble with computers? My
Yes,
goodness,
sir.
how unusual for all of us. All right. Okay, Ms. Blake, you're conferring? Anything else you want to do right this moment?
If I can excuse if you can excuse Mr. Sanchez for today's hearing.
Mr. Sanchez, we're going to release you at the request of your attorney. Stay in touch with her, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're excused.
Judge, this is Richard Garcia. I'm here.
Richard Garcia, you're not Richard Garcia, sir. You're Richard Garcia Jr., right?
Junior. Well, no longer junior because my father passed away. So I can go by.
No, sir, you're still junior. All right, anyway, getting back to work. What you got, Richard? What's going on?
2 cases, Judge. Mary Simonson and
give me some case numbers so I can find it quicker.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Page 2, Judge. 609986.
Gotcha. That's Simonson. What are you up to on this, Richard?
Well, I've got 6 or 7 cell phone numbers and I've been calling every one. And I have her listed as homeless. So I doubt that I can find her. And Arturo, I also have got Arturo Garcia on page 3, 610376. And same thing, I've got new numbers, old numbers, and I can't find either one.
Okay.
The last time I talked to Mr. Garcia, he had a heart attack. And hopefully he's still around.
All right. In that instance, I'm going to give you a 60-day reset.
Okay.
On Mr. Garcia, see if you can try and track him down. He's obviously got serious medical issues. And on the other case, on the lady, I mean, was it a lady? I thought.
Yes. Mary Simonson.
Simonson. Yeah.
She had texted me not too long ago, but
Richard, let's give you a 60-day reset on that too. I'm not crazy about the idea, but these folks that are homeless, it's almost unfair to, in my mind, to issue warrants just because we have trouble contacting them.
Okay.
As an officer of the court, please do your best to try and track her down somehow.
Okay.
I mean, if it's impossible, it's impossible. I understand, but I don't want to issue warrants for folks only because they're homeless and have no way of really staying in contact. Obviously, she's not walking around with a laptop with her.
Right.
So, all right. Then on both those cases, you've got 60-day reset. We're going to excuse you at this time unless you got something else you want to do.
No, Judge, that was everything I have today. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I have not been able to get in touch with my client. So I was going to ask if you could give a week or so for her to appear, but I have not been successful at all this morning.
You got the same situation or what? On
No.
Barnes?
Yeah, no, I don't believe she's home.
Mariona Barnes. What do you want to do? Ms.
Well,
Taylor?
yes, Your Honor. I was wanting a 60-day reset, but since she hasn't appeared today, if you could give me a week to keep getting in contact with her to see if I can get her to appear.
All right, do you believe that you'll be able to track her down?
I believe so. We've had good communication up until today, so I don't know if there's something going on that's preventing her from answering.
Patricia, bring her in within a week and there'll be no problem. If you're not able to find her.
July 30th.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Judge,
Ma'am.
I want to let the court know that Attorney Andrew Priest is present on page 9, the bottom of page 9. And Mr. Williams had requested, the defendant had requested to go to work at 11.
If I'm present on that, Judge, if we could confer and if my client could be released.
You can. Mr. Williams.
Yes, sir.
Jatavis, I think you said it was?
Yes, sir, Jatavis.
Mr. Williams, you're excused. Your attorney's here and we'll be doing some work for you, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Please stay in touch with your attorney.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
And Judge, I know there's quite a line to confer. Could I be put on the list and be excused to go to County Court 4 to make an announcement? And I will come back.
Absolutely. You happen to be number 20, so yes.
Thank you,
you're
Judge.
excused to go elsewhere.
I will be back. Thank you.
Okay, folks, it is 10:17 a.m.
Judge.
I am having what's called TB. It's not tuberculosis. It's a tired butt from just sitting here. All right, what you got? Somebody got to announce real quick? Otherwise, we're going to take a break.
Oh, I guess Jessica and I both do. Whoever.
Daniel can go first. He shot up first.
Daniel Vela, case number.
Case number is, Your Honor. Good morning, first, Your Honor. 650104.
650104.
Jose Luis Martinez Arce.
I got you. What you
Okay.
got?
The gentleman is here on Zoom. He is present, Your Honor, by Jose Luis Martinez, name on his ID. Judge, is it possible to not be number 21 and bump this out for a little bit?
Is it possible not to be 21 and do what?
And just get a reset on it, Your Honor?
It's possible, but why should we?
Oh, because
Give me a reason. Give me a reason, Daniel.
Because it's Friday, and I just got back. I'm trying to get caught up here in my office, Your Honor. Is that good enough? I hope.
We're going to give you a 60-day reset, okay?
Okay. Judge, you have a great day and a great weekend.
You too, guy. Jessica Gonzalez, what do you have, dear?
Yes, Your
Young
Honor.
lady.
I have 2 updates on my clients. The first one is Misty Menard, case number 61002020.
Right, that's the very last one on page 2. Talk to me, Ms. Gonzalez.
Okay, this is the case where I had not had any contact with my client since her
Right.
court date in October 2020. I did call her bondsman. They have not had any contact with her over a year, and they no longer have any good phone numbers for her. But they did tell me they also did not receive any notification of today's setting. So we have no way to be able to announce to the court that she actually received notification of today's court appearance. But the bondsman did want me to let you know that they will be filing some paperwork this afternoon or sometime soon to be asked to be released from the bond since they've had no contact. So I would ask for an additional week for us to try to look for her. But I think by that time, the court should have some paperwork to be able to issue a warrant for her.
Okie doke. So it shall be.
Thank you, Judge.
We'll
And then
recall
my,
it in 1 week on this one.
thank you. And then my second case was Ashley Castaneda, 621172.
62. 72. All right, did she appear?
She is now on the docket. She did call me yesterday about that, the notification, but I didn't call her back until this morning. She is signed in. You can see the top of her car and her name is written in her participant box. Ashley, go ahead and say something. Say hello to the court.
Yeah, yes. Hello, sir. Yes.
There you are. I see you.
I've
Very
been, this case has.
Okay,
Yeah,
Ashley.
yes, sir. I
Ashley.
apologize. This case has been,
Ashley, well, just wait a second. Judge, if I can go ahead and speak to the prosecutor and confer with the prosecutor, I believe I should be number 20, and if she can be excused with a reset date, and I can follow up with her afterwards.
Which is the earlier case you had, Jessica?
The earlier case was Misty Menard.
Right. Okay. You did not confer on that because she wasn't here, right? Or
That is
whatever.
correct.
Okay. And what's the other case you just did was also
Ashley.
interesting. Ashley Castañeda.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
So you had not conferred on either one already.
Correct.
So now you're number 21, I believe.
may I say something, Your Honor?
No, Ashley, we can talk afterwards.
Okay.
Okay.
You all need to go into breakout, Jessica?
Well, yeah, since I'm going to be waiting until number
my-
21, I can go into a breakout room with Ashley.
All right, Patricia, would you place Ms. Castañeda and Ms. Gonzalez in breakout?
Thank you.
Judge, this is Mike Bellavo. I know you need a break, but I'm back from conferring.
All right, good news. Tell me what you got, Mike.
On the second page, the second case, Justin Riff.
Gotcha.
The state's requesting waiting on the drug results, and they're trying to contact Alamo Heights PD.
Blood, AHPD. So what you're saying is you need a 60-day reset, huh?
Probably closer to a year, given it's Alamo Heights.
Is that possible, Mike? All right. Mr. Riff, or we already excused him, right?
You excused him already.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mike. Okay, what else you got, Mike?
That's all I've got, Judge.
Michael, then you are released. You are excused for the rest of the day. Have a good weekend.
All right. Thank you, Judge. You take care.
Okay, now,
Your Honor.
Patricia.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, it's Xavier Ibarra. Judge, I just finished conferring with the state.
All
and
right.
I would just ask for a 60-day reset so I can talk with my client regarding the offer that it was made. It's on page 3, Judge.
Yeah, I got it right here. Javier, you and your client are both excused. I don't think you have another case, right?
No, sir, that's it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good
Jason,
weekend.
Todd, yes, sir. Take care. Have a good weekend.
Judge,
Javier. All right, Jason Todd is in conference, conferring.
no, Your Honor, he said he had to go somewhere and he was gonna come back. You excused his
Okay,
client.
he's not back.
No.
Then what about Efrain Torres? Want him
Yes,
to
Your
confer?
Honor. I was gonna ask you if you're gonna get a break, give us a break, if Ms. Pollard can get a break too.
Tough. She don't need no breaks. Yes.
Judge, I'm
We're good.
here and I'm ready, Judge. I don't mind if the break is going to be given. I just need to know how long. I have to be in other courts.
We're gonna take a 10-minute break. It is right now 10:25. Court's in recess.